Children, this is your maths class and today's topic is we are going to learn expanded form and short form. Let us see one by one. Children, before that I would like to tell what is meant by expanded form and a short form. Firstly, let us see the expanded form. When we expand a number, we have to know the place values of the digits in the given number. So, I will tell you, to write the expanded form of any number, we need to identify the place values or the position of all the digits in the number. Isn't it? Let us see the example. Write the expanded form of any number. We need to identify the place value or the position of all the digits in a number. Okay? So for example, when we expand, in other words, we can also say when we expand a number using their values, it is called expanded form. It is called expanded form. For example, here 28 is given. Okay, as I told you before, you have to read the place values from your right hand side. That is 2, 8, 28 is there. No, 2 is on your left hand side and 8 is on the right hand side. See, put your hands on either side of the number, isn't it? You can then you can know which is on your right hand side and which number is on your left hand side. Here, if you put the hands like this on either side of the number, 8 is on the right hand side. So the place value of 8 is ones. And the number that is on the left hand side is tens. Isn't it? So here 2 is in tens place. You have to write 2 tens. Plus 8 is in ones place. Now you have to write 8 ones. So I hope you all understood, children. Then after writing like this, it becomes 28. Like this. I will tell you another example. 30. Here number 30 are given. So put your 2 hands on either side of the number like this. So 0, the place value of 0, which is right on towards your right hand, is ones. And the place value of the number that is towards your left hand is tens. So how do you write in expanded form? 3 tens plus 0 ones. 0 should be big and 4 should be small. Another example I am going to tell you here, 71, isn't it? So, can you tell children the place value of 71? Yes. 1 is in ones place and 7 is in tens place. So now you can expand this. 7 tens plus 1 ones. So like this you have to write the given numbers in expanded form. Now let us learn short form. Friends, before explaining what is a short form, I would like to tell the meaning of digit which I used in the earlier while explaining expanded form. What is meant by a digit? Digit means the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are all called digits. The numbers from 0 to 9 are called digits. Okay? I hope you understood what is meant by digit now. So digit means the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, from 0 to 9 are called digits. Every number is greater than its successor. Suppose 0, let us take 0. If we add 1 to 0, the next number 1 comes. That is the successor. And we subtract 1 from the natural number, from any natural number, we get the predecessor. That means the before number. Let me show you here. Every number is greater than. I know the symbol of, I hope you all know the greater than symbol. Okay? This is the symbol we use for greater than. Every number is greater than its predecessor. Predecessor means before number. That means predecessor means before number. Children, every number is greater than its predecessor. In other words, we can also say that by adding 1 to any natural number, we get the next number, that is the successor. 1 to any natural number, we get its successor. That is next number. For example, take 2 in the mind. I hope you all know addition, student. Take 2 in the mind, add 1. You get 2 in the mind, take 1 finger. 2 plus 1 is 3, isn't it? Likewise, 3 plus 1 is 4. Like this, I hope you understood, children. Next one. Every number is less than its successor. That is, by subtracting 1 from any natural number, you get its predecessor, that is before number. Every number is less than its successor. In other words, by subtracting 1 from any natural number, we get its predecessor. example. Two minus one. Count backward, children. As I explained you subtractions earlier. Two before, get 1. Likewise, another example. 3 minus 1 means 2. Now coming to the short form, children. Let us see what is the short form here. When we add the expanded form that you have learned earlier, that is called expanded form. When we add the expanded form, we get the short form. This short form is also called standard form. Here, let me explain the example. Here, 2 tens, as you have learned earlier in the expanded form, how do you write? According to its place value, you will expand in this way. Similarly, if it is given 2 tens plus 3 ones, you have to put the numbers directly here. See, children, 2 is in tens place. No, here 2 tens is given. So, you have to put 2 in tens place. Here, you have to mark like this, T and O. O means ones, T means tens. As you are seeing here, 2 tens, you have to put this 2 in the tens place. And here, 3 in ones place. That is 3 ones, no? So, you have to put 3 in ones place. You have to put the numbers exactly in its place only. You should not put like this. Somewhere. You should not put like this. You put neatly. A little bit far. Likewise, another example. Here 4 tens plus 4 ones is given. How do you put this? Before that, you have to mark like this. T, O. 4 in tens place and here 4 is in ones place. So, 4 in t's place, that is tens place. Here 4 in ones place. Likewise, another example. 1 tens plus 0 ones. You have to mark like this first. T-O. Put 1 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Children, sometimes the short form can also be given like this, that you are seeing here in digits. So here 20 is given. 20 may, what do you call 20? 20 is 20. 20 plus 3. Here, while writing its, while putting the numbers in its place, you have to, here 2 digits are there, no? You have to leave this 0 and take 2 here. Look at this number here. You have to take 2 and put this 2 in tens place. And 3, here single digit, you are seeing single digit, that is 3. The 3 should be kept in the ones place. Similarly, next example, 50 plus 5 is given, no? Here you have to take only 5. Here you have to take only 5 and write this number in tens place. Here only single digit 5 is given, no? That 5 should be kept in ones place. Here in the next example, here if you put 5 in tens place and 5 in ones place, it becomes 55. Okay, 50 plus 5 is 55. Likewise, 20 plus 3 is 23. Here, 60. Here you have to take only 6. 6 should be kept in tens place. Here 0 is given, no? Single digit 0 should be kept in ones place. 60 plus 0, you call it 60. It's very easy, no children? I hope you all understood. I'll give you worksheets. You have to do according to this that as I showed you in the video. Thank you children. We shall meet in the next class again.